All right, guys. Good day all. Um, like I said, I'm gonna make a weekly outlook of this weekend. So, like I usually do, and I post it here on this channel, and the longer I posted on this channel. Um, I want to thank you all for your comments, likes, and those sharing the link to their friends and others. So, like I normally do, uh, analysis on pairs I'm looking at for the week, but more especially what I'm looking at DSY. So here on chart, I have DSY monthly. As we all know that this is new month. So here on chart, I have DSY uh, monthly time frame. All right. So here monthly time frame, as you can see, DSY is still on uptrend, and I'm targeting this 120.225 for GSY to hit there, then possibly retrace and then continue the up move to the upside. So for those of you that are in the Telegram channel, when I shared this analysis, when DSY was around 90 something, around this region, was when I shared the analysis for a long time up move. And if you haven't joined the Telegram channel, click the link on description and join us. So, like as I was saying, I'm expecting up move on DSY to continue. All right. But when we hit 120.225, we will see a possible retracement to, let's say, 115, 112, then or possibly 1110 before consideration to the upside. The long term target is 163. So you all know that anytime GSY is bullish, um, we are having SSUSD to be bearish. The likes of Euro USD, GBP USD, AD USD, SZD USD to be bearish. While the likes of USD CAD, USD CHF to be bullish. All right. So now here we have monthly on DSY. As you can see, we close a bullish candle, full body candle, with a little wick rejecting this level here. Let me show you. Rejecting this zone here. All right. So we'll be seeing a kind of little pullback, then consolidation, but to the upside. But I don't think that the pullback will be too deep. All right. Because here, this zone here has been taken out. Okay. As you can see, you see that price first hits that zone, then reject. All right. Let me remove this. Okay. Now, as you can see price hits that zone, then print a rejection, then the next candle open, then run this body. And you know that this candle here, this one here, opened what without wick, then move to the upside, then close rejection. All right. Now the next one open, drop to this point, take out all the buyers on this body, then start moving up to take out the sellers that drop this rejection. All right. So after price took out all the others, sell others here, what happened? We see price making another rejection. Now, as of last month, we see that price open, then drop to this point here. Price open, then drop to this point, then before continuing to the upside. Check out all these highs here. All right, then tap into here, close a rejection. So now on new month, October, we'll be seeing price, selling a little bit to this point or here, then continue the upside. But I want us to know that we'll be having a small pullback here, then continuation to the upside to fill up and take out this high till we get to 120. So now I go down to Euro USD. As you all who are in my Telegram channel on Telegram, you see I've posted this Euro USD long-term analysis, and the first target has hit, which was here. The first target has hit. Now the last target is the downside. The last target is this level here. Here's the last target, as you can see, 0.84253 is the final target, and which I know that your price will likely go there because already it has mitigated this zone, like spike below the zone, then like sold below the zone, then pull back. So we'll be seeing a little pullback to the upside, not too long, then the downside will continue. So on Euro USD, and also we have a kind of M formation, which is what we call a double top. All right, we have a kind of double top. Let me use this. We have a kind of double top. We have this, this, this. Then price breaks. So you can see price breaks. Then we see a bullish candle that came back to test this point. So there is the retrace of the neckline. Then we started coming down. All right. So now we'll be seeing a kind of short pullback to this point, then possibly short pullback to this point, then which already occurring, they will start what coming to the downside till we get to this point. So I want you guys to be very careful if you are planning on buying. Like I always call our attention on this channel anytime I make my weekly action. In case you are going against the trend or you have made the analysis, and if your analysis is not in line with mine, at least this is a kind of calling your attention to cross-check your analysis to know if you have done the right thing, or you are kind of going against the market, or you are planning of going against the market coming week. So here is Euro USD, like I showed us now. See, so this is acting as a kind of what, a double top. We have this, so you can see. So here is the neckline that was taken out. The price retest start coming down. So see the little pullback. Now you see that price has spiked below what? Price has spiked below this zone here. So and price pull back a little bit to this point. So we've seen it coming to this here high here. Possibly it can or might not, but a little pullback is expected. Then that move will continue to get to this base. All right. So something goes to GBP USD. Let's look at GBP USD. Here, GBP USD. Okay. All right. Okay. So here on GBP USD, as you can see, GBP USD have mitigate, or let's say break 1983 low. All right, then pull back. This point is the 1983 low. Let me show you guys. Here is the 1983 low. Then this is where price came to. Now, if you plot your horizontal line, you see that price mitigate it just a little bit. Price breaks it a little bit. Let me zoom it. All right. All right. Okay. Here's the 1983 low. Let's take it. Okay, no. All right. So we plot our horizontal line here. You see that price have taken it out and print a kind of rejection. So here is it. Price have taken it out. All right. So this is the 1983 low. Price have taken it out here. then print a rejection. Printing a rejection does not mean that that level has to hold, or let's say, for example, we are likely to see up move, or let me say a long-term up move, because I've been seeing so many traders thinking of going long-term up, long-term bullish on GBP/USD. All right. So now here on monthly, we see that we have a kind of same formation we saw on Euro USD, double top formation, as you can see, then up, then drop. So now look at what happened here, guys. Now let me show you. Okay. So now look at what happened here. Let me remove all this. All right. Sorry about that. Let me remove all this. All these are being used to do analysis on lower time frame. Okay, now as you can see, we have some information of what we saw on Euro USD, a kind of double what is it called, double top. Then we'll come back to this up. Then came here. Then as you can see, you see a bullish candle. This bullish candle has at a kind of retest. Then did that move continue? All right. So now price hit this point here. Then we start seeing price pulling back. So price stop at this level. So now I will be aiming this low here that has been taken out. All right. I'll be aiming price to get to this point as a kind of pullback, then continue was to the downside. All right. Possibly price might not likely get to that point before coming to the downside, but a little pullback is expected for continuation to the downside. So this overall structure here we are seeing is a kind of double top, as you can see. So we have our neckline. So now price is likely to do what? To take out this week that has been created here. All right. So this low that has been created here, price is likely to take it out and continue going to the downside, because here the structure we have is bearish. We have a bearish structure here. So this also applies to USD SS, like slice of USD CAD and USD CHF. A bullish continuation is expected. So anytime I look at DSY, what I see on DSY give me clue on what is likely to happen on GBP/USD and Euro USD. So if I see this on GBP/USD and Euro USD, meaning that on AUD USD and NZD USD are likely to also be bearish. All right. Then USD CHF CAD and USD CAD are likely to be bullish. Like you all know, I normally trade most of USD pairs. So guys, I'm back here. I'll be giving us educational stuffs like I usually do before. Sorry, I haven't been consistent like posting here as usual, but now I'm back. So I just want to make this brief video to all of us to show that I am back here to always give you my best. So expect more of educational content in coming days. So guys, I would like you to also help share the link to your friends, and also click the subscription button and turn on the notification bell so as to be able to get notified anytime I drop new content here. So I have loads of educational stuff that I will share with you guys here. So make sure you subscribe so that you will not miss out. All right. Thank you for sharing the link to your friends, for those that have been doing that. And all that have been commenting things that I can add to my videos. You can also comment on any kind of pairs that you would like me to be looking at for anytime I'm making weekly outlook. You can just comment on the comment section. I will gladly do as you said. Thank you guys, and I really appreciate, and I wish us all a peaceful and profitable week as the week is starting. So make sure that you protect your account and always apply risk and money management as you trade. I wish you guys good luck and happy new month. Thank you all.